I can have some more chicken, please.
You want chicken too? She hiding. She wants you to come, Ty. She's happy. Oh! I'm just realizing I've been vlogging and didn't start the vlog. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA in my house, France outside. You guys, we are here and everybody's up and busy and chilling. We're on lockdown, so we can't go nowhere. We can't go nowhere. So we're inside and making the best of family time, which we love, super love. We don't mind at all. So everybody's here, the family is here. Say morning, fam bam.
Morning, fam.
Why you say, Tyler? When mama say why you say, what you were supposed to say? Say why you say?
Me day and my youth.
Ah. Me day to my youth. Sarah. Sarah, say morning. Princess Sarah, say good morning. No? Sarah, look to the face. Princess, here, ah? Yes. Say hello. Yeah, good girl. She loves when Papa stuck them up and she just hit them down.
Papa?
She's so funny. She's way too funny.
It's good to bring glass.
Haha.
Papa, it's good to
Sorry, Papa have a hat on his head. Alright, you guys. So we are doing what for dinner?
raclette.
Raclette. Styla's favorite, Papa's favorite.
Where's
We
my
all love it.
potato?
His potatoes right there. Open it. So we have potato. If you guys don't know what raclette is, potato. Then we have a lot of cheese. And then we have assorted meats here. And this is the raclette machine. We just turned it on. So it's going to become warm. We're going to cook the meat up here if you want your meat cook. If you don't want it cooked, then you can have it as it is because it can eat as it is. Then these little trays. Demonstrate, honey. These little trays. You're going to take one and put the cheese inside of it. Put it under the raclette machine and the machine will melt it because under there is hot. So the machine melts the cheese and then you put the potato that is covered there into your plate. And you can do it however way you want. You put the cheese over the potato or the cheese over the meat. So
cook the meat well. You cook the meat on top of it too. So you know what? You take one bacon. I'm gonna show you after. You put one bacon here. I can do it now. So look, for example, oops, is the first one. So and you can start.
and this normally eat during winter time because it makes the environment warm.
Yes, we can't do it in summertime.
You can do it in summertime, but it's traditionally for winter time.
If you go at the mountain, that's
All that the
in the
mountaineers
menu.
eat now.
Every restaurant have it in the menu.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. The cheese will start to melt soon, and you will be ready to eat.
Put more cheese under there. Fill them up with cheese. Fill them up with cheese.
Mama, what's happening to that thing bumping? Mama, what's that thing bumping? Papa? C'est un, deux, tout. Ça et ça. Les trois.
The one that cooked, set them off and put them up here.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
I want one of everything.
Okay, Dad. Can this go between you and Tyler? I don't want nothing in front of Sarah for her to pull off.
For me and for me.
Alright, Tyler, that's your drink.
Thank you, Papa.
You want wine, you say?
Yes, please.
Your glass is in front, Coca-Cola. Qu'est-ce que tu veux, Tyler?
J'ai déjà du coca.
Mais il est devant toi, le Coca.
Je sais. That's for me. I can bring some. Yes, Mama. Yes or no?
Yes, I know what time.
I can drink.
Some of what? No drinking until you eat some of it.
Mama, where are we going to go?
The cheese are melting.
You want to make a demonstration for the first one?
No, you can go ahead and do it. And demonstrate yours. Just do Tyler when like Tyler start eating. That's fine.
Has that cookie?
Just one for Tyler or put two?
Whatever you want
Tu
to
veux un autre
do.
fromage?
No.
Juste comme ça pour l'instant?
Mm. This is for what?
Put that down. You don't need that.
What this is tiny?
You guys, I'm adding on meat to this. I think Tyler said he wanted that.
Yeah. It's ready?
Should be. Don't need much cooking.
Cut it into.
I want some of the big hand. Thank you, Papa.
So you guys, it's basically you just put whatever that you want. I have potato and bacon, and then
I have everything.
I'm just gonna scrape the cheese out on top of it, like that. And I'm refilling the cheese and putting it right away. And because I don't want too much potato, I'm gonna eat a lot of the meat. Meat and cheese, not protein.
Mama,
Yes,
I want
ma'am.
a lot of the potatoes.
Okay. There's enough potato there. So you can eat as much as you want.
Okay.
When the two is melted back on your side.
Into really.
Two is melted. Papa.
And I'm having mine with white wine.
You're having some coconut.
And you just tell your auntie that you're not drinking anymore. You haven't had a Coke in a long time, huh? Come, Sarah, what you having, girl? Come, huh?
Let's eat while it's hot.
Exactly. Tell her heat up. Don't let the meats cook too much and dry out. So on your side, you take them off and flip them up here. So, like, where's mine at?
Soon.
Cheers to life,
Family
love, family,
and health.
and health, and blessings, and forever.
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. I drink a little bit.
You can't drink a little bit.
Mama, I still had some ham when I did the coca. When the coca reached in my mouth, just wash out the ham.
You guys,
and
when the melted cheese hit the ham or whatever meat that you decide to use, it's so good. And the little white wine, heaven on earth. Sorry, you want cheese?
One day I have to leave farm. Farm is that? I have to import that in the restaurant.
It's yummy. You guys, if you want to try this, go on Amazon and search raclette machine. And there are many different types. There are the ones without this section. There's one with just the cooking. But there's many options that you can choose from. And Sarah's loving the cheese. Yummy. Mmm. Yummy.
And I'm loving the potato and coca.
Oh, give me a potato.
You haven't been having potato? You guys, you see my eyes?
You see my beard?
Sleep. Give them a close-up of your beard, baby.
It's a baby beer.
Oh my god, you little redhead. You little ginger. My little ginger. Yeah, my little ginger.
You drunk tonight?
Just one glass.
You drunk?
My little ginger.
You look drunk.
I'm tired.
She look drunk, right?
You guys see all those clothes? And that's just a little bit. I've been ironing from
When's the last time you ironed?
9 o'clock. It's been a long time.
That's what you should start to say. I didn't iron for about 3
Well, guess what?
months.
Oh, that iron. I just did makeup for all the time that I haven't ironed.
What you mean?
But it's not my job to iron. It's my job or your job. It's our job.
Yeah, that's me.
Anyway, you
I like to
guys.
say the truth. She always trying to hide the truth.
So it's my job to iron?
No, as you say, it's our job. But
Okay.
I do it. No, I mean,
I can't win. Okay, okay.
she can't win when it's
I
about
can't
clothes.
win.
I wash. I put them on the line. I take them out and fold them.
I juke you in your
I
eye.
put them in Tyler. The only thing she do is to put Sarah clothes.
So?
I put
So if that's the
even
only-
her clothes,
so
I
if-
fold her clothes and I put them in the bed, on the bed, for her
So hold on.
to put them on.
Let
in
me
her
ask you a
closet.
question. What's the crime in you doing all that? Is there a
No
crime?
crime, I'm just
So what's the point? What's your
making
point
the
of
truth.
explaining to the
I'm just
face?
making the truth.
What truth? What truth? What's your
About
point?
what you really do in the house and what I do in the house.
So I'm asking you again, what's your point?
Just giving the truth.
What's the point of giving the truth?
The truth and nothing else than
And
the
your
truth.
point is what?
Nothing?
You get your point across?
Yes.
You're satisfied?
Yes.
Okay.
Very satisfied. Talking with my heart. Ha!
You're a hot face. You made me laugh till I cry. You a fool. Anyway, you guys, I just finished ironing. What? But I just finished Iron Patrol.
Yes, you did tonight. Yes.
Camera, look, the iron board's still in front of
Yeah,
me.
it's still on your high. It's still
On my
about
height.
3 foot. 3 foot is still your high.
Because I sit right here. I didn't stand
Even
at
if you
all.
stand, it's still your high.
Are we gonna end the vlog or no?
I read something online that if you are under 5'5", you're a Pokemon. Are you a Pokemon? Stupid shit that you see online. I was under 5'3", something like this. If you're under 5'3", you're a Pokemon.
Well, I'm just 5'3", so I guess I missed it. I'm not under it. I'm just right there.
You're a tall Pokemon.
I'm just.
The shit I see online. Alright, let's focus. Let's focus.
You guys, we are coming on to end today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn that thumb blue. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. And let us know what part of today was your favorite. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.